Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 151. If we start with this box, we're missing 4 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 4, 5. For this box, we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 1 here, so 2, 1. For this box, we're missing 4, 6, and 8. We've got an 8 covering here and here, and a 4 here, so that means this is our 6, 4, 8. For this column, we've got 1, 2, we're missing a 3. For this box now, we're missing 6 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 6, 9. For this column, we're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 5, 6. For this top row, we're missing 4, 8, and 9. We've got 4 and 8 here, so this is our 9. 8 here, so 4, 8. For this row, we're missing 1, 5, and 7. We've got 1 and 7 here, so this is our 5. 1 here, so 7, 1. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 3, 7. For this box, we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 2, 5. For this column now, we're missing 1 and 3. We've got a 1 here, so 3, 1. For this column, we're missing 3 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 3, 9. For this row now, we're missing 8 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 8, 9. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 2, 8. For this row, we're missing 2 and 4. And I don't see any help. So 2, 4, 2, 4. For this row, we're missing 3 and 5. We've got a 3 here, so 5, 3. For this row, we're missing 7 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 7, 9. For this row, we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 1 here, so 2, 1. That 2 makes this our 4, 2. And to finish out this box, we're missing 4 and 6. We've got a 4 here, so 6 and 4. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.